This is a vacuum emulsifying mixer. Mixing tank customized according to the customer's requirements. It is suitable for producing various high viscosity paste products, whether it's the food industry, the chemical industry, or the pharmaceutical industry. It can be used. It is equipped with functions such as wall scraping, stirring, double dispersion, bottom homogenization, vacuum defoaming, electric heating, and water cooling, which can meet all kinds of production needs required by customers and produce high-quality products. If you are interested in our machine, please contact us.